everyone, today I'm going to be doing a logo quiz. So in a different video I did a Peppa Pig quiz for some younger people. This one is a logo quiz. So let's hit play. Level 1. This is Samsung. Boom. Samsung. Next. Oh, I don't know what this. I'm gonna use one of the hints. One hint. How do I use a hint? I have 11 hints. I thought I had 11 hints. I'm gonna type random things. Actually, I want to skip it. I don't even know any of these. This is probably the potato thingamajiggy. Potato chips. Twitter. Boom. Delicious. Oh, it's Red Bull. Boom. It said, uh-oh. I something C. This is gonna take a while. Nah. Does that make any sense? Elker. I'll. Nah. I've. Let's see how that works. Oh. Stop saying uh-oh. How many times is this gonna work? Pizza Hut. eBay. Cha-ching. Amazon. This is easy. McDonald's. Boom. I forgot. Skype. Wait. I don't know what this one is. Oh, Windows. Where's W? Why can't I find a W? Isn't this clearly Windows? Or, oh, it's Microsoft. Boom. It's King Burger. Wait, King? Oh, Burger King. There you go. Nissan, I'm guessing. On. This is too loud. Let's see how that is. Finally. IDM, I'm guessing. There's no D. It's BM? That scared me. That actually scared me. I'm definitely lowering the volume. That actually scared me. I don't even know what this is. How do I hint it? What do I do with the hint? Oh, remove letters which are not part of the solution. Cost 1 hint. Let's use another hint. Boom. MVT. TVM. TMV. MVT. MTV. What? Swiss. Doctor. Hint. SWAT. Another hint. That's it? Oh, you can't use it. SWAT. Nope. This is tricky. Willow. Oh, Whirlpool. It's the washing machine Whirlpool. Whirl. Going different. Oh, YouTube. Easy. I hope that thing doesn't scream in my face when I get another level. Nintendo, I'm guessing? No, I don't think that's Nintendo. I don't know what that is. Sony. That's it? Huh, that's a lot of logos. I mean, not really a lot. That's level 1. Level 2, there's 40 ones. Oh, these are a lot harder. Let's start. This is a car brand. How much hints do I have to use on this? Just gonna use. Wait, what is this? NASA? NASA. Nope, it's not. NASA. 1 hint. Wait, so it's. Nevia? Oh. Nevia. DreamWorks. Coca-Cola. Boom. I forgot what this guy is. I mean, girl is. No. Wikipedia. I know it's Wiki. D. Wikipedia. I need a hint. There you go. Abe. CN. Cartoon. I know it's first cartoon, but wait, hold on. That's it. Cartoon. I forgot the second word. Anyways, this is the last one we're gonna be doing. I'm just typing it. Wait, what? I was just typing in random things and it didn't. And that is so funny. I was just typing in random things and then boom, it says correct. So, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!